Hey guys, messed up my shoulder this morning, so I won't have any riding content for you today. So I figured I'd do a bike check. The weather's looking like shit anyways. It's a 2009 GT bump. Start with handlebars up top here, ODI long neck grips. We got Fiend team bars and 9-inch rise, 20.75 wide. We got stock GT stem, like this stem. We got gyro is a Odyssey brake lines, stock GT bump forks, chromoly, generic front brake. Let's see, 2.25 blue FT1 Merit tire. Shout out to Brian Foster. We got a Y303 single wall in the front. I don't know what hub is on there. I think it's just a generic hub. We got, let's see here. We got the Sabrosa lights for all the 12 haters out there. You know, always fuck with them BMXers. We got a Mission Carrier Stealth Pivotal seat post here. We got 20.75 top tube, 9.5 standover, stock GT cranks, chromoly, 175s I'm pretty sure they are, GT Revolt 25 tooth sprocket, and some generic plasties on there for pedals. We got Trectro brake in the rear. We got a 410 KMC chain. We got, let's see in the back, we got another Y303 in the rear with Quando hub. We got 13.5-inch chainstay. And let's see, what else do we got here? Oh, valve stem caps. Gotta flick them out. Nice blue ones. Let's see. Not integrated front end, you know, 09, they weren't really into that shit yet, but this bike has kept me going. So, yeah, that's about it, I think. Check it out. You know what I'm saying? Pretty decent bike. Been through a lot. Yeah. Stock GT forks. I think I already said that. Generic front brakes. You know. It's keeping me going. It rides good. It's not too heavy. 4 pegs. I like to grind on both sides. I like to do opposite things. Switch, opposite, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's my bike check, and I'll holler at you guys tomorrow.